Hi, Jets. Welcome to your last Friday of the year. I can't believe it. I'm so proud of you guys. Um, we're going to end it. We're going to end really strong, finish strong. And what that means is that we've got passage one, Coyote Fools Bear again. So just by reading the title, you should know what that's going to be about. And is it going to be fiction or nonfiction? Passage two, Clever Coyotes. I'm going to click on that one. Have you ever heard of a pack of howling at night? Okay. This one right here, I can tell the author's purpose is definitely to inform us. Okay. And this is going to be nonfiction, non meaning not, false. Okay. So I've got two passages to read. I'm going to count how many paragraphs there are. I'm going to write it down on my paper. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Do you remember why we write down each paragraph? You got it, smarties. Yep, we annotate. We take notes as we read the story. Makes it so much easier to answer the questions. And at the title or at the top, I'm going to write Coyote Fools Bear again. That's for if I have any writing to do. When I refer back to my notes, I will already have the title right in front of me. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there it is. All right. And then on my other sheet of paper, I'm going to write Clever Coyotes. And count the paragraphs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super duper. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, great. I got that one all set too. There we go. What's the next step? Right. We're going to read the questions. Number 1, what does the word trudged mean as it's used in paragraph 1 of the passage? That's easy. That's going to be context clues, right? They told us right where to go. Paragraph 1, context clues. Coyote gave a sleepy grin as he trudged up a steep mountain path. He was feeling especially proud of himself after eating all of Bear's fish stew while Bear slept. Okay, so already paragraph 1, I'm going to make a note because I can tell that Coyote ate all Bear's fish. Right there. I was looking for the word trudge, the meaning, but I actually learned the problem already and what's going on. Not good. I actually am going to put like a face like that, like, what? See that? Okay. Because I just can't believe it, but already Coyote, I can tell, is naughty. I'm going to actually write Naughty above Coyote. You see that? Yep, naughty. All right, trudged. As I go through that, my brain is Coyote gave a sleepy grin as he trudged up a steep mountain path. My brain goes straight to a steep mountain. I visualize it in my brain and trudged up. Okay, trudged is not a word that I use very often, but when I think of the mountain, I would walk up the mountain. So I look over here. Oh, look at that. Walked wearily. Exactly. Okay, so I'd pick that one and I'd move on. I haven't even read the passage yet, but I know the answer. I'm gonna go on to which sentence shows Bear's point of view after. Okay, point of view right there. Point of view. That means as I'm reading, the best thing to help us know point of view is quotation marks. I hope I find some. Which sentence shows Bear's point of view after Coyote steals his stew in passage 1? Well, already if somebody steals from me, I know how I'd feel. But they asked about Bear's point of view. So I'm going to have to go back and pay attention to that. How did Bear feel? Which detail from the passage 1 shows the narrator's point of view of Bear? Oh, narrators. Now you've got, they want to know, is it first person or is it third person? I'm looking for the word, how to remember first person. Right? This number reminds us of a capital letter that we would see. Right. I. It doesn't say I gave a sleepy grin. It doesn't say I trudged. It doesn't say I slept. Nothing like that. So it is written in third person, and we've got a narrator's perspective. They're like outside the window, and we get all the juicy details of all the characters. So as you're reading this one, we want to know the narrator's view of Bear. Okay, pay attention to that. In paragraph 2 of the passage, what does hot on his trail tell the reader about Bear? I've actually heard that before. If someone is hot on your trail, usually it means they're really close to us. So as I'm reading, oh, look at that. He's close behind. See, I wonder if it's that one. Well, we'll find out when we go back and we do our reading. Passage 1, what happens when Bear arrives at the cliff? Ooh, select 2 answers. That one's in bold. 2 answers. Interesting. Okay, that's going to come straight from the text. That's a text evidence one. 9, paragraph 9. What does the phrase as slowly and quietly as a spider show about Coyote? What do you think of when you think slowly and quietly as a spider? Okay, you can visualize it in your mind. 7. The following item has 2 parts, part A, part B. How does Coyote solve his problem in passage 1? How does Coyote solve the problem? Well, Coyote trudged up the steep mountain path after he stole Bear's fish. Bear's fish stew. I didn't know he had a problem. That's why I have to keep reading. And then something down here is we're going to be able to take out the sentence that proves it. Easy enough. We've done that all year. Read this sentence from paragraph 2 in passage 2. So in passage 2, we start our questions. Coyotes have yellow eyes that see in dim light, pointed ears that hear for long distances. Ooh, all informational text. Look at that. In quotation marks. Which phrase in the sentence best helps the reader understand the meaning of keen? Context clues. So you know how to do that. You go up here, you reread it, and you think, yellow eyes that see. Put that in there, replace it, see if it makes sense. Okay, do that with all of them, and that's your answer. What does the word favor mean as it's used in paragraph 3? Ooh, again, same thing. Take all of these. You've heard of a favor before. You need to figure out how did they use it in paragraph 3 and just match it up. 10, think about passage 1 and passage 2. How are these passages alike? And select 2 ways. So when we're trying to think of things that are alike, we'll have taken all of our notes. We'll be able to decide. Maybe we'll build a Venn diagram, right? The things that are the same will go right in the middle. That'll be fun. I love looking at your Venn diagrams. Okay, and last question. Oh, super. You've already got your Venn diagram built. So now it wants the things that are different. Okay? All right. Have fun, Jets. Doing your best work, showing your genius. If you feel like you're guessing on anything, just use your tools. Okay? I'm here to help you. All right. Last Friday. Bye, Jets.